welcome to or welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. Did you see my last shorts?
Cute little magenta cake. I'm going to try it.
And you know, the title of the video says magenta, but I'm unsure about that color, really. Regardless, I did love the color and I tried to recreate it the best I could. I'm using 3 different types of food color: rose, red, and black. Let's start mixing and see what kind of color we can get. Oh, it's looking beautiful so far. But I want to deepen that color. And a little trick I learned from someone else is to use my immersion blender. That gets rid of a lot of the bubbles and darkens the color of the icing a lot without having to wait overnight. Now it's time to smooth it on that cake. Oh, look how shiny it is. My magic edging tool. It's just made of plastic and I sell them on my Etsy shop, so check that out. And now for the decorating, my favorite part. Starting with a large serrated tip, number 4B. I'm piping some large shells right at the base of the cake. With that same tip, I'm going to pipe some large shells on the top of the cake. Downsizing, a star tip number 18, piping little swags. That one broke. It happens sometimes. I'm just going to take that off and smooth the icing out. As you guys know, I don't mind showing you my mistakes because it's a reality in anyone's cake decorating world. The inspiration cake had 1 swag, but I chose a taller cake so I can do a few extra swags. I love that extra icing. For the last swag, I changed to a slightly larger tip, a number 22 star tip, and piping 1 more row of swags. With that same tip, I'm putting little shells on top of those big shells. That's a classic vintage look. Also doing that same thing around the top, just on the inside of those big shells. Downsizing again to a number 18. And I've got some light pink. This was not in the original inspiration cake, but I sure do love the color combination of the dark and the light colors. A little rosette. I'm spacing these so they go right where the swags are. And then I'm going to add a row, cleaning up those ends so you can't even see where they meet. So pretty. Do me a favor, like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm trying to reach 500,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate you if you hit that subscribe button, and so I can keep bringing you wonderful content. And some not so wonderful, but I think mostly it's wonderful. One last row of pink down at the bottom and some rosettes there too. Ta-da! Perfect for any little celebration. Thanks for watching. Bye.